2026 is bringing more intelligent audiovisual solutions that will change the way your business runs. Here are some of the biggest trends to watch. AI-driven rooms and smart automation. We're going to see meeting spaces get a lot smarter. Imagine rooms that automatically adjust the lighting, audio, and camera angles as soon as you walk in. Predictive AI will also help detect these issues before they happen, and centralized control will make everything easier for you and your team to use. Immersive displays. In 2026, we'll see digital signage and video walls in even more common areas, creating engaging ways to communicate and grab attention. One of the newest options is transparent video walls, which can be mounted on glass to display eye-catching visuals to high-traffic areas. From the other side, it looks like a clear mesh you can see straight through so it doesn't distract from the space. Portable AV solutions. The new portable video walls released this past year are flexible and often make it more cost-effective than renting gear for every individual event. They can be easily moved between presentation spaces or stored when not in use, so they're perfect for trainings, conferences, or any space that needs a quick professional setup. Technology for accessibility. Arcast Bluetooth technology is going to reshape how people listen in shared spaces. Soon, anyone will be able to tune into room audio using their own headphones or hearing devices. It's a massive win for accessibility and simple way for businesses to strengthen ADA compliance. These trends are already shaping the future of the workplace technology. If you're planning upgrades for 2026, our team can help. Reach out to us at Haverford.com to get started.